Thanks, KidZania for giving us an opportunity to showcase our concept to the esteemed chair. I represent KidZania, which is basically into experiential learning. So whatever we are discussing here, it's purely linked to experiential learning. So we are one of the platforms which is in India, which is working on this concept since 2013. We are the smartest and fastest growing kids entertainment destination and family entertainment destination. We are in 2 locations in India, in Mumbai and Noida. So the purpose of KidZania is to introduce our visitors to real life practical roles. We are into role playing activities. We are not a normal amusement park or a water park. So our philosophy is be who you want to be. If a kid wants to become a doctor, they can have a hands-on experience related to an activity which is related to a doctor. They can do a liver transplant, they can do a knee surgery, they can learn about that concept, and slowly and gradually they can go to other activities in our park. So we have more than 100 plus role-playing activities in KidZania, which are based on different role-playing activities. It's a complete city which is built up in 1 lakh square feet area. Fully indoor, centrally AC. And similarly, if you go to any city nowadays, you have to go through an airport. So our ticket counter is converted into an airport, which has been taken by India. So when a kid comes to KidZania, they enter through an airport, they learn about the entire process, how an airport works, how you board a flight, you get a boarding pass, you get a traveler's check, and then you enter KidZania. So our real life experience starts from the entry level itself. So we have more than, as I talked about, 100 plus activities. So we have multiple industries which we are covering in our concept. Like we have airport, fire station, Supreme Court, hospital, TV studio, radio station, automobile division, dance performances. So whatever kids can think of becoming in future, they can have a hands-on experience here. It's a complete city like Chandigarh or Delhi or Punjab, wherever you go and what all are there, it's same in KidZania concept. Only the brand changes as per different countries. So our entire concept is designed by educators and experts who help us design activities based on different skills like psychomotor, cognitive, social, emotional. For example, if a kid goes to a bank instead, so we have IDFC Bank here. They give a check, they get a currency, or they get a debit card. So they learn about financial literacy. So आप में से कोई भी अपने बच्चों को कभी बैंक नहीं भेजता जनरली बचपन में, वो अपने आप टाइम के साथ धीरे धीरे वो चीज़ें सीखते हैं. बट हमारे यहाँ बच्चा जब आता है सबसे पहले बैंक में जाता है और वो खुद चेक लेगा, खुद अपनी करेंसी लेगा, खुद अपना डेबिट कार्ड लेगा. इवन अगर वो अपनी करेंसी उस डेबिट कार्ड में रखते हैं, गेट्स 6% इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो ऑन दैट. सो दे लर्न अबाउट द एंटायर ट्रांजेक्शन लेवल and then they can go and start other activities. So similarly, they pay for activities, they earn for activities, and then they can spend the same currency inside. So they have everything here. If they become a doctor in a hospital, they do a liver transplant, they get salaries after that. They earn like that. If they want to spend, they go to the pizza outlet, they pay in our currency, they make the pizza, they learn about the entire ingredients and concepts, and then they get it complimented. That's our unique plan. So it's engaging, it helps them to understand, it helps them to develop critical thinking, psychomotor skills, cognitive, they work in a team, they enjoy with their friends. So entire thing is planned on these, and all these activities keep on changing every 6 months based on kids' interest, and that's how we plan the entire concept here. So we have our own currency, we have our own language, we have our own flag, we have our own national anthem, which is being running with KidZania at the time of entry level. So it's a complete city. Wherever you go in the world in KidZania, you will find the same concept here. So I'll just show you a small video about the concept.
Kids can do amazing things when they're given a chance. And that's what KidZania is all about. KidZania, the only place in the world where a kid can think, work, play, and feel like an adult.
I am journalist. I am a violin. I am a British officer.
It's an action-packed adventure in a hyper-real, kid-sized city complete with streets, buildings, shops, and vehicles. And all the excitement, all the drama, and all the thrills of the real world.
I am a detective. I am a chef. I am an actor.
At KidZania, realistic role-playing is put to work, igniting imaginative minds and taking teamwork to a whole new level. The journey to KidZania begins the same way many adult adventures do, at an airport. From there, the fun takes off in every direction. There are nearly 100 fun, challenging, authentic, and awe-inspiring roles for kids to play at KidZania. Designed by educators and developed to match school curricula around the world, the highest standards of learning are employed at KidZania. That's why school groups put KidZania at the top of the list for out-of-classroom school visits.
I'm a problem solver. I'm a visionary. I'm a computer.
Through the eyes of a child, being an adult is a big deal. And that's why KidZania is the smartest, fastest growing kids entertainment destination in the world today.
I'm empowered. I'm inspired. I'm a success.
KidZania. Get ready for a better world.
We are the safest destination as of now all across India. All our activities are run through an RFID device which is being tracked to the kids and teachers also. No one can take that risk at all. All our entry points are sealed. We have more than 250 CCTV cameras installed there. We follow a strict do not touch policy. No supervisor or attendant or anyone can touch any kid there. Our team has to address each and every kid like sir and ma'am because they are treated as adults. Similarly, each and every food item is hygienic and it's totally safe and secure. First it is being sampled to the teachers. Once they agree to the food services also, then it is being given to the students. So we have our own first aid center inside. We have a tie-up with nearby hospital also in case of any emergency. So it's totally safe and secure. More than 20,000 students visit every year KidZania from Punjab and Haryana, etc. We are in 23 countries with 26 centers as of now. Another one center launched just last month, so now we are 27 in total. More than 100 million visitors have visited us in KidZania all across the world. This is our global presence. We are in different countries with multiple centers in different locations. Like we are in Dubai, Tokyo, Singapore, Lisbon, Abu Dhabi, Kuwait. India, we are in 2 locations, Mumbai and Noida. So, if I talk about the visitors in India, around 60% people come through family visitations and events, corporate deals. 40% visitors are from schools only. From entire, if I talk about 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, entire North India, more than 1.5 lakh students visit us every year. Mumbai, there is a completely different demography where school visits are happening. So we have catered to almost more than 2,000 schools till now in 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. We started in 2016. Every year, 400 to 500 schools visit us here in 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. So this is the demography from where the schools visit us every year. If I talk about North India, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Rajasthan, it's a kind of a day trip for schools to come to us. If I talk about Ludhiana, multiple schools from Ludhiana visit us every year. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 is there, Sacred Heart is there, Sukhan Vidya Mandir is there, Patiala, British School, DPS, Ambala, Army Public Schools, Springfields. So, n number of schools are visiting us every year because they find KidZania as the safest destination and purely based on experiential learning, which is now a need for the schools. Normally water parks or amusement parks are there, which are already in each and every city. But this is the only concept which is in India, which is working on this concept, where kids are learning as well as enjoying also. These are our new partners which joined us this year. We have around 25 brands associated with us in KidZania to make it a real city. Recently, Air India tied up with us. Our entire ticket counter was converted into an airport. We have a plane activity where it becomes a pilot, they become plane staff, and they run the activity on the simulator. It is being taken by Air India to make it a real concept. MP Tourism, MP government has tied up with us. So new activity is coming up regarding jungle safari with AR and VR. It is being taken by MP government. Then DOMS joined us. We started an automobile industry, TVS bike showroom this year, where it's designed bikes on a software. There's a service center where they learn about servicing and everything about this automobile industry. So every year there are new brands which keep on joining us because they get a real audience and we get real brands to make it a real city. So this year we also started a new concept which is basically for the toddlers, like kids till class 1, class 2. So it's a kind of a neighborhood concept which is built up in 5,000 square feet area. And there are multiple activities: exploration lab, science lab, baby gym, base painting, driving school, gas stop. All these are for toddlers only. So you can see the kind of concept which we have created for toddlers. It is not a normal playhouse, it's a complete different setting. These are our global partners who make KidZania real all across the world. India, these are the partners who are with us since 2013. A small message from one of our founders in India.
I never took a place for Siva, when there could be a fireman, cleaner, a religion, a factory worker, and much more, all in one place. When I visited KidZania for the first time with my kids in Dubai a few years ago, I decided that we have to do the concept of kids. KidZania has globally successful indoor theme park, a city built to scale for kids. It has playgrounds, real entertainment, fires, TV studio, radio station, factories, and many other working replicas of real world events. It even has its own language, currency, and economy. KidZania provides an authentic and powerful developmental platform, preparing kids to understand and manage their world better. Because of the part, I understand the importance of empowering children at a young age to be able to manage their world better. And as a man, the power of making someone happy by entertaining. Bring up the city again, a city that kids call their own.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for the presentation. In case anyone has any questions or anything, we have a brochure in each and every kit. You can contact on the numbers for any kind of tour that you wish to plan in the future. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed an informative presentation, and we thank KidZania for making education innovative and fun for students. And now I request Mr. 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲, sir, to please come on stage to felicitate Mr. 𝗙𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗄. And I request all of the principals to please stand and like the presentation. Thank you so much.